Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.discover.com. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the Discover homepage loads, look for the Login button. The Login button is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the Login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. Ensure that your credentials are entered correctly. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the Remember Me box. Once you've filled in your information, click the Login button. Wait a moment while the system verifies your information. After successful login, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. Here, you can access your savings account details and more. If you encounter any issues, use the Forgot Username or Forgot Password options for assistance. This completes the login process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.